This is Nora. Nora is a simple young woman. She lives in a quiet neighborhood. But Nora is very kind. Her heart is big and full of love for others. Every morning, the sun wakes Nora up. She gets out of bed and gets ready for her day. She puts on her work clothes and goes to work. Nora works in a bakery. The bakery smells like fresh bread and sweet cakes. She makes bread every day. She mixes the flour and water. She kneads the dough with her hands. She puts the bread in the big hot oven. Nora likes her job very much. She loves the smell of the baking bread. She loves making food for people. One day, Nora sees an old man. He is sitting on the street in front of the bakery. He looks very tired. His clothes are old. He has no food to eat. Nora looks at him, and her heart feels sad. What can she do to help him? Nora goes back inside the bakery. She takes a warm loaf of bread. The bread just came out of the oven. It is soft and smells delicious. She goes outside again. She gives the warm bread to the old man. The old man is surprised. He did not expect this. He looks at Nora, and then he smiles a soft, gentle smile. "Thank you," he says in a quiet voice. Nora feels good. Her heart feels warm. Helping someone made her happy. The next day, Nora is at work again. She looks out the window of the bakery. She sees a poor woman. The woman is with her 2 small children. The children look hungry. They look at the bread in the bakery window with big, sad eyes. Nora's heart feels sad for them too. She knows what to do. She takes 2 loaves of bread this time. She goes outside and gives the bread to the woman and her children. The children take the bread. They take a big bite and smile. Their smiles are bright and happy. Nora feels that same warm feeling in her heart. Soon, people in the neighborhood start to talk about Nora. They talk about her kindness. They say, "Nora at the bakery is so generous." They see her give bread to people who are hungry. Her simple act of kindness starts to make a big difference. One afternoon, a rich man comes to the bakery. He wants to buy some cakes for a party. He sees Nora give a loaf of bread to a family with no food. He watches as Nora talks to them with a kind smile. He sees the family's happy faces. The rich man is touched. His heart feels something new. He sees how a small act of kindness can bring so much joy. He decides he wants to help too. He starts to give money to the poor people in the neighborhood. He helps them buy food and clothes. Because of Nora, the bakery becomes a place of help for many people. The rich man and Nora work together. Nora continues her work with a smile on her face. She does not look for fame or attention. She is not doing it to be famous. She just wants to do good in a simple, quiet way. She believes that everyone deserves to have food to eat. The neighbors respect her very much. They see her good heart. The children in the neighborhood like her very much. They wave to her when they pass the bakery. Sometimes they draw her pictures and give them to her. The old man from the first day comes back often. He does not always need bread now. Sometimes he just comes to talk with Nora. He tells her stories about his life. Nora always listens carefully. She stops her work for a few minutes to sit with him. She understands that people need more than just food. They need someone to listen to them. They need a friend. Nora has a heart full of kindness. She understands others and their problems. Because of Nora, the neighborhood becomes more united. People start to help each other more. If a family needs help, a neighbor brings them food. If someone is sick, others visit them. A small act of giving bread started something beautiful. The whole neighborhood learned from Nora's example. Nora is happy without being rich. She does not have a big house or an expensive car, but her life is full. She understands the true meaning of life. She knows that real happiness comes from helping others. Giving makes people happy. It makes the giver happy and the receiver happy. A simple loaf of bread changes many things. It changed the old man's day. It changed the children's hunger. It changed the rich man's heart. It changed the whole neighborhood. Nora lives a simple and beautiful life. Her life is a story of how one kind person can make the world a better place, one loaf of bread at a time.